y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am just going to be applying my Brazilian body wave Aliexpress wig that I attempted to do, but I failed. So right here I'm just taking a cotton ball with alcohol on it, y'all, and I'm just cleaning off that makeup. Oh, and if you look up in the top right corner, that's just me unpackaging the hair when I first got it. Y'all probably got this hair about 3 to 4 weeks ago. I'm just now putting this to use on camera because I have not been wearing this unit. I made it, wore it once, and that was it. And here I am taking a free spray and just trying to get this on y'all. And we're gonna blow dry it until it gets tacky enough for me to lay this wig down. So you guys, I actually put the freeze spray on and blow dry it a good 3 times. I always do it no more than 3 times. So I'm just checking to see if it's tacky enough so I can lay this wig down, y'all. By the way, y'all, this is a transparent lace frontal. I really thought Aliexpress was gonna BS me with that. I thought they was gonna send me a light brown. But it's really a transparent frontal. If y'all can't tell on camera, trust me, in person, this stuff blends like scalp appearance. So I'm just taking this next strip and just gonna put it on and blow dry it so it can lay flat. And I'm so sorry, y'all, my camera died, so I did do my baby hairs off camera, but trust me, next time I'm gonna do it. And I'm just taking my loose powder and putting it on the baby hairs so it can blend in even more. And I'm just taking a freeze spray, you guys, because I had some flyaways that was bothering me so bad. Yes, and fix that contour. Y'all have to fix that contour. I was looking crazy. So right here, y'all, I took some foam wrap. If you have foam wrap or if you got some mousse, you can just put that on to activate your curls. You do not have to go get up and wet your hair. Just put this on. I swear to God, y'all curls gonna pop for sure. So I'm just scrunching it up, trying to get it to my liking. This is some wig shine that I got from my local beauty supply, y'all. I love this stuff. It really come in handy when you got like curly hair, wavy hair. And boom. Okay. So it's looking kind of cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. So of course, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see. Until next time, I will see you guys later.